Up first this evening, revelations about the ghastly acts new recruits are being asked to perform as part of their initiation before they are accepted into gangs. The acts include murdering a baby, among other heinous deeds. The frightening revelation came on Wednesday as a committee of Parliament began discussions aimed at amending the anti-gang law. More in this report from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
The anti-gang law came into effect in 2014. But nearly 5 years later, it has helped crime fighters secure fewer than a handful of convictions. One of the reasons cited for its poor returns: gangsters are evolving and elements of the law are not modern enough to keep pace with them. For instance, gangs have found some twisted, evil ways to recruit. Committee members told Wednesday sitting some of the deeds new members have to perform to get into gangs.
Sometimes you have to make a dopey in order to qualify.
Or kill a baby or
something like that.
There's more. Gang members kill other gangsters in the vicinity of schools to send messages to students. Oftentimes they do this to other gangsters who try to quit the gang. Their message in such instances are to tell students, if you join our gang and try to leave, you will be killed.
One of the things that Mook was contending with is that they would seek to discipline members of the gang in the presence of schools to demonstrate the consequence of leaving or removing from the gang once they are members. Now they shoot them at the school gate. Every child who is not a member of the gang decides, well, I'm not getting out of the gang.
This is why the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA wants the law to be amended for gangsters who perform these types of crimes to be given an additional mandatory 10 years prison sentence in addition to whatever sentence they are given once they are found guilty. The committee members were not against the recommendation, but asked that MOCA come to explain their requests further. One recommendation the members dismissed entirely was a suggestion from Chairman Dr. Horace Chang for the police to be given more powers of search under the anti-gang law. Detectives want to be allowed to search the premises or properties of an individual they suspect is benefiting from money made from crime. For instance, they want to be able to search the house of a girlfriend of a gang leader.
If you want additional powers of search or seizure, etc., I think this is not the place to put them. I think that should go into the JCF Act or some other piece of legislation.
This Act doesn't attempt to create any additional police powers. It's purely creating offences under the law, substantive offences that can be investigated, charged and prosecuted.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.